On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing selling high ticket products. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that it requires low investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. An affiliate network is a website where you can find affiliate products to promote. There are many of them, so you can search for any affiliate network that you want and then join. You can join Warrior Plus, you can join Digistore24, you can join ClickBank, you can join any affiliate marketing network that you know. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, and the best part is that they pay directly into your bank, and they also have PayPal payment option. They have Pioneer payment options. Any of the payment methods that you want, you can connect it so that once you make a sale, you can be paid. Once you are on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see there are a lot of different products that you can promote on this website. The best part is that most of these products, the commission rate is very high. For example, you can see this one right here, $124.20. That is the amount that you are going to make per every sale that you get. There are many of them. As a school, you can see different other products that you can promote to earn money from home. The products, they are based in different categories. So what you have to do is that you have to select a specific category so that you can get products in that category to promote. For example, if you want digital products, you can click right here, digital products. Once you click on it, you can see subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see they have animals and pets, dance and music, computer and internet, business and investment, betting system, email marketing, dating, love and relationships, education, family and kids, fashion, fiction, and many others. There are a lot of different categories under digital products. So any category that you want, you can click on it and then get a product to promote. If you don't want digital products, you can also promote physical products. So when you scroll down, you can see right here, physical products. When you click on it, you can see they have skincare and they have supplements. Any of them that you want, just click on it so that you find available offers that you can promote. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting a digital product. So click right here. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to select the subcategory. In this case, I'm going to be promoting a product under business and investment. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see under business and investment, there are a lot of different products that you can promote. You can see this one, crypto quantum leap. The commission rate is $331.29. When you scroll down, the next one, you're going to be earning $477.08. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of them. Now, once you have gotten the category of products that you want to promote, the next step is that you have to analyze so that you can find the best product to promote. So let's take this one for example. You can see the commission rate is high, but when you look at the conversion rate, it is extremely low, 1%. That means if you promote this product to 100 people, only 1% of the 100 people are going to purchase the product. Let's go down to the next offer. When I scroll down, you can see this offer, the commission rate is also high. You are going to be earning $477.08 per every sale that you get. When you look at the conversion rate, it is also extremely low. It is 1%. That means if you promote it to 100 people, 200 people, you are going to be getting 1% of those people purchasing the product. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to sort the products so that we can get the offers with higher cart conversion rate. The higher the cart conversion rate, the likelihood that you will make a sale once you promote the product. So we are going to sort the products so that we can get an offer that has higher cart conversion rate. So now what you have to do is that you have to scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you can see right here popularity. When you click on it, you can sort the products based on any factor that you want. For example, you can see they have popularity, earning per sale, earning per cart vista, publication date, cart conversion rate. They also have cancellation rate. So now what you have to do is that you have to select any of these factors that you want. In this case, we want the cart conversion rate. So click on cart conversion. Once you click on cart conversion, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this offer right here. It has the highest cart conversion rate under this category. You can see the cart conversion rate is 20%. but we don't know the amount that we are going to earn once we promote it. The commission rate is not displayed here. So let's scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this offer right here, intelligent cryptocurrency VIP. So it is a membership product, and you can see the commission rate is $738.60. So if you promote this offer and get people to join the paid membership, you are going to be earning $738.60 per every person that join. You can see the card conversion rate is also high, 13%. So this is one of the best that we can promote under this category. When you scroll down, you can see this one, the card conversion rate is 9%. So now what we have to do is that we have to promote this offer right here. To promote it, click on copy link. Once you click on copy link, you're going to see a page like this. So as you can see, these are some of the details of the product. You can see it right here. Now once you open the product, the next step is that you have to click on the sales page so that you can get more information about the product. So click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. You can see everything. You can see everything in the landing page. So your potential visitors, what they have to do is that they have to enter their email address so that they can join a free master class. Once they join the master class and they like the product, they can join the paid membership and you are going to be paid. So you can see everything. Now once you get to know the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin promoting the offer. When you click right here, copy promo link, your affiliate link has been copied. Now once you get more information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. Promote it, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then join the membership. Once they join, you are going to be paid $738.60. This is a high ticket product, so you are required to find a highly targeted traffic source so that you can get the right people to join for you to earn money. This is a high ticket product, so if you use a paid traffic source and you even get one sale, you are still going to be making profit. You can see the commission rate is very high. It is a high ticket product, so you can use the paid traffic source. If you want, you can also use the free traffic source, but in this case what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a highly targeted paid traffic source that you can use to make money promoting this product. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is buysellads.com. Search for buysellads.com. On this website, you can sell ads or you can buy ads. In this case, we are going to buy ads. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, browse directory. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are websites where you can buy traffic from. You have to pay any of these websites so that they can place your ad on their platform. You can see a whole lot of different websites that you can place your ad at a cost. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to choose a website that is related to the offer that you are promoting so that you can advertise your ads on that website. For example, you can click right here, you can see category, click on it. Once you click on it, if your product is about automotives, you can select that and get websites. If your product is business, you can click on it and get websites. If your product is a cryptocurrency, you can click on it and get websites. If your product is related to design, you can do that. Development, you can do that. Education, you can click on it and then get websites. So for example, let's click on business. Once you click on business, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are websites where you can buy traffic. For example, let's click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, you're going to see a page like this. As a scroll, you can see these are the types of ads that you can display on their websites, and you can see the various rates. You can see the first one, second rectangular. If you run this kind of ads on their platform, you are going to be paying $14 per 1,000 impressions. You can see it right here. So every 1,000 visit that you get, you are going to be paying $14. You can see the next type of ad, you're going to be paying $18 per 1,000 visit. You can see the last one, you're going to be paying $15 per 1,000 visit. You can see it right here. So if you cannot afford to run ads on this website, what you have to do is that you have to go back and then click on a different website. For example, you can click on the next one. Once you click on it, they also have their rate. So any of them that you can afford, you can do that. You can see this one, they have a fixed rate which is $500. Once you pay the $500, your ad is going to be on their website for at least 30 days. So that is the fixed rate. Some of them charge per CPM, others charge fixed rate. So you can see the fixed rate right here. If you cannot afford this one, go back and then select a different website. Let's click on this one right here. Once you click on it, when you scroll down, you can see they also have fixed rate. You can see dedicated email. So they are going to send emails to their subscribers and you are going to be paying $950. You can see mailing runs for 7 days, hitting 28,000 plus new subscribers daily for a total of 200,000 subscribers. They are going to keep on sending emails to their subscribers about your product. They are going to do that for 7 days, and you can see the total number of people that you can reach, 200,000 subscribers. If you get this number of people seeing the product that you are promoting, even if 10 people purchase the product, you are still going to be making profit because the commission rate is $738. You can see it right here. So if you get at least 7 people to purchase the product, you are going to be making money. That is the advantage of high ticket products. If you get 1 or 2 sales, you are going to be making huge amount of money. Now if you cannot afford this, what you have to do is that you have to go back. Once you go back, you can click on all these websites and then get the one that is affordable. In this case, the product that we are promoting is about crypto. So what we have to do is that you have to find websites that are crypto related so that we can post our ad. You can see crypto, it is a crypto product. So what you have to do is that you have to come back. Once you come back on buy sell ads, what you have to do is that you have to deselect the business and then click on it. Once you click on it, you can see cryptocurrency. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see all these websites are about keto. So let's click on the first one. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are the types of ads that they run on their website. You can see the first one is $8 per thousand impression. The second one is $6 per thousand impression. If you cannot afford, what you have to do is that you have to go back. Just click on all these websites so that you can find the one that you can afford. Let's click on the second one, bit info charts. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, the first type of ad that you can run, you're going to be paying $2.05. The second type of ad that you can run, you're going to be paying $4 per thousand impression. The first one is $2.05 per thousand. So if you can afford, what you have to do is that you have to just click on it, select it, and then run your ads. For example, I'm going to be using this one to demonstrate for you to see how you can purchase ads on this website. So we are going to be using this one. Once you select the type of ad that you can afford, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, next step, set up campaign. So once you click on it, you can be able to set up your campaign. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to enter your first name, last name, email address, your company name. You can see the line item name, just enter it. Once that is done, you can schedule the duration of your ad. So if you don't want your ad to run for 2 days, you can schedule it in 1 day. If you want your ad to run for 1 month, you can schedule it. Just schedule it to the time that you can afford, or you can schedule it at any time so that the ad will run. Once the ad is running, if you are not getting profit, you can stop it. I suggest you should use a short period to test the website. Once you are getting results, you can extend it. In this case, I'm just going to leave it like this at the default. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, the next step is that you have to select the country. But before you even run the ads, what you have to do is that you have to search on Google so that you can see the main website before you run the ads. So let's search for bit info chart. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is their website, and you can see people are running ads. So your ad is going to appear like this. You can see it right here. It is about crypto. You can see this is the main website, and you can see the different crypto wallets. You can see everything. It is about cryptocurrencies. When you scroll down, you can see a lot of crypto information. You can see another ad right here. Our ad, we selected button, so our ad is going to appear exactly like this at the bottom of the website. You can see it. You can see it. So our ad is going to appear like this. So once it appears like this, we can get people to click on it and then purchase the product that we're promoting. Apart from searching the website on Google, you can also check on SimilarWeb to see the traffic that the website is getting. For example, you can see the bit info, it is getting nearly 1 million visits per month. You can see it. It is 929.2k visits every month. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you have to check the countries where the website is getting traffic. You can see the first one is Armenia, the second one is United States, Russia, Germany. You can see Korea Republic and others. You can see these are the top countries where the website is getting traffic. If you are targeting your ads, you have to select one of these countries. Now, once you have gotten all the information about the website, the next step is that you have to come back. Once you come back, you can now select the country that you are targeting. In this case, we are going to be targeting United States. So let's search for United States. Once you search for it, you can see it right here, United States. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it has been selected. We are targeting only the United States. Now once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see, because the United States is a tier 1 country, you can see that they have added $1 to it. So you are not going to be paying $3.50 per 1,000 visits. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then insert an image. You have to design an image and then upload it right here. You can come on Canva and then design a banner like this. You can see this is a simple banner. All the information, I got it from the landing page of the offer. Let me show you. When you come back on the landing page, you can see this is the first text, second text, third text. I copied the same thing and I was able to create this simple banner. It is just a simple banner. You can create something beautiful than this. Now once you have your image, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, share. Once you click on share, you're going to see a page like this. Click on download. Once you click on download, you have to select JPGs. Click on it. Once you click on it, click on download. As you can see, the image is downloading, so you have to wait for it to download. Once you download your image, come back, click on browse. Once you click on browse, select your image, click on open. Once you upload your image, you can see it right here. Always make sure that you check the size before you design your image. You can see this is the acceptable size, so you have to check this and then use it to design your image. Once that is done, you have to paste the link to your product right here. So you can come back on this student info. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, the link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can preview the link. So if you want to preview it, you can click right here, preview link. Once you click on preview link, you can see the link has opened. It is working. Now what you have to do is that you have to go ahead and then publish your ad. If you want to add many images, you can click right here, add additional creative. So once you click on it, you can be able to add an image and a link, but in this case we are not going to do that, so leave it. Once you enter all your details, you have to click right here, summary and payment. Once you click on it, you can see your ad is saving. Just wait for it to save. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is a summary of your campaign. If you want, you can click right here, edit, so that you can edit everything that you see right here. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the agreement. Just agree to all of them and then proceed to make your payment. You can see you have to enter your email address right here. Once you enter it, you have to scroll down. You can see my total budget, or you can reduce it. It depends on the amount that you are willing to spend. Once that is done, click on yes. Once you click on yes, you have to click right here, go to Coinbase. You have to create a Coinbase account so that you can make your payment. Once you make the payment, your ad is going to be running on their website and you're going to be getting people who will click on it and then make a purchase for you to earn money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.